sind seit 2017 Partner von Allegro Packets und haben dieses Produkt bei uns als Key-Hersteller im Portfolio, und deswegen ist es für uns eine Selbstverständlichkeit, hierher zu kommen, die anderen Partner zu treffen und natürlich den Hersteller.
Wir sind ja der erste Partner von Allegro seit 2016 und für uns ist es wichtig, natürlich immer den Kontakt zu pflegen gegenüber allen Allegro-Mitarbeitern.
I think I appreciate all the sharing and all the partners are really nice. It seems that everybody is really willing to share their experience with us. I think I'm really thankful that they are being able to do that.
As a new partner, joining Allegro family last year, we represent the Taiwan area, and this is a very good opportunity that we can to hear and we have chance to know the hometown of the Allegro Packets product.
It is also good to see other partners and their success stories and their experience with Allegro, because it gives me more insight and maybe can help me do more sales in the field, because I can use their experience in my field as well.